In this video, we will learn how to quickly copy all the replies to another fan page. Currently, I have a fan page and I want to set up the auto reply feature. I wish to directly copy the replies from another fan page. To do this, I can locate my fan page in the bot manager. If you can't find your fan page here, it means you haven't accessed the Facebook and Instagram interface to enable your bot. So, how do you enable the bot? Simply click on Enable Bot Connection below your fan page. After clicking, 3 buttons will appear. Once enabled, we can find our bot in the bot manager. If your fan page doesn't appear here, it means the fan page was created after you imported your account in Closing Pilot. In this case, you must click Log in with Facebook once again under the Facebook and Instagram menu. After clicking, we usually see this screen. Here, click on Edit Settings. Now, continue clicking Next until you can select your fan page interface. Here, select the fan page you want to import. Once selected, your fan page will appear in the Closing Pilot interface. After checking, click Next, followed by Done, and then OK. Great! Now your fan page will appear. If you click the Login with Facebook button and the interface doesn't appear, you need to go back to your Facebook account and click on Settings in your personal admin account. Look for Security and Login and click on it. From there, navigate to Business Integration. Under Business Integration, you will find Closing Pilot. Here, you can remove Closing Pilot and return to the interface to click Log in with Facebook once again. This will bring up the interface. Don't worry, removing the Closing Pilot app from your personal account will not make your settings disappear. After importing your fan page, click on Enable Bot Connection. This will allow us to find our newly created fan page in the bot manager. Currently, this fan page doesn't have any bots. Therefore, I need to go to the fan page want to copy from and copy everything to the new fan page. Here, I can click on Options and then select Export Bot Settings. Give this template a name for your reference. After entering the template name, click on Export, then OK, and finally close it. Now, click on Save Template, and you will find the exported flow. This way, the reply combination is copied. Now, let's go to my new fan page. Let's assume this fan page is empty. I want to copy the entire flow here. To do so, click on Options, and then select Import Bot Settings to import the previously exported reply flow. Click on Install Template and choose the new fan page where you want to copy the flow. Then click Install. Please note that a warning will appear, reminding you that by clicking OK and continuing, all the settings you previously made on the new fan page will be overwritten. If you are sure, you can click OK. Now, you can click OK, go back to the bot manager and select the new fan page. You will see that the imported flow is already there. This fan page only has one flow named Test, and besides the imported flow, you can also see other templates. You don't need to pay attention to these templates as they are system presets. It is unnecessary to delete them because some of these templates may be useful. For example, the Get Started template is the message our users will receive when they click the Messenger button on our fan page for the first time. By clicking the Edit button, you can modify the content inside. After importing, you can perform a test. For instance, the test flow is imported from another fan page. You can click on Action, and if any modifications are needed, you can make them inside. If required, click the button in the upper right corner of the fan page to access the fan page and perform a test by entering the keyword OK. Then your auto reply will appear. Finally, there are a few things to note. When copying the entire flow, please remember that forms cannot be directly imported. Here, forms refer to the forms created in our web form builder, which cannot be directly imported from another fan page. They must be set up again. Also, every time we import, the previous settings will be overwritten. After importing, each fan page remains independent. For example, if I import from page A to page B, any settings I make on page A or page B afterward will not affect other fan pages. Lastly, some system preset templates will appear in the bot flow builder. There is no need to delete these bots. That's it. You now know how to copy all the auto replies to another fan page.